that have been to the mountain top have seen the glory land.
Nyikwara Mogajwang' ma en Jowi wuo Nyatanga, kaka ung'eyo jangolo mar Ohangla e piny Luo kae. Kaluwore kod lit kod kuyo ma wantiere godo, daher mar kawo thuoloni makende mar chwalo ote na mag lit kod kuyo ne familia mar mosenindo Migosi Raila Amolo Odinga Baba, kanyakla achiel kod oganda Luo duto, nimar ma en gima omakowa. Wawito kwach, wawito taya, wawito sibuor, wawito jowi. Kuom mano, akwayo mondo mi oganda Luo duto wabeduru gi horuok. Wakauru kwe kata obedo ni wan gi chuny lit kamano, mondo mi wachiw luor makende ne Baba nyaka wakowe kar yweyo mogik chieng' Jumapil. Kasto bang' mano koka wang'ito ere kaka wachako wuoth manyien ka koro waonge Baba.
The mountain top have seen the glory land. I may not get there together with you, but together you will get there. I have seen the glory land. What I'm doing with the Uhuru, we are doing it for posterity for this country. It is not for Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga does not have to be the president of Kenya, but Kenya must have a good president. There must be structures that will ensure that the Kenya is being governed in a responsible manner. We are able to transform this country, to remove Kenya from poverty to prosperity.
Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on the mountaintop,
down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountaintop, I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Thank you very much.